How to do an online check-in AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do an online check-in AirAsia. To start, go to the AirAsia mobile app. Here tap on Orders right before chat. Now tap on Check-in option. Next, tap on Get Started. Now select View or Print Boarding Pass. Enter your national ID of your issuing country or region. Then tap on Continue. Make sure to declare COVID-19 policies. Tap on Continue to go next. Scroll down and tap on I agree. Lastly, select Continue to check in. That is how you can do an online check-in AirAsia. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.